Never stop learning, never stop growing.
Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to Smile YouTube channel, Easy Way to Learn English. In this video, we are going to learn the fourth part about active voice and passive voice. Already I have done 3 videos about active voice and passive voice. Step by step I have just explained. In case if you did not watch those videos, please watch them. I have already given the links in the description. If you understand those parts, then only you can understand this topic very easily in this part. Part 4 is all about models in active voice and passive voice. ఇది చాలా important topic అండి. Even if you are going for competitive exams also, it will be helpful to you. అసలు యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ పాసివ్ వాయిస్ అంటే ఏమిటి, అసలు యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ పాసివ్ వాయిస్ని ఏ విధంగా మనం చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు, అదేవిధంగా వాట్ ఆర్ ద రూల్స్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో. సో ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ explained clearly in 3 videos. That is part 1, part 2 and part 3. Part 1 is all about introduction, part 2 is all about how to change active voice into passive voice, and part 3 is all about the rules which we have to follow to change active voice into passive voice. And in this part we are going to learn first 2 models in active voice and passive voice, how to change active voice into passive voice. Even this topic is there in English in grammar topics. Change into passive voice. Active voice sentence ఇస్తారంటే దాన్ని మనం passive voice లోకి మార్చాలి. So first 2 models we are going to learn in this video. Without wasting the time, let's get started. If you did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. కింద బెల్ ఐకాన్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని మాత్రం క్లిక్ చేయడం.
Never stop learning, never stop growing.
Okay, how to change active voice into passive voice? We have to follow 5 steps. First one, object should be used as subject. Second one is helping verb should be used accordingly. And the third one is verb should always be in V3 form. And by preposition should be added. And the final one, subject will be used as object. If you remember those steps, either you can change and understand this topic clearly. First one, model 1. Model 1 is all about statements. Statements ante enti? Statements are nothing but if a sentence is started with a subject and ending with the full stop, then it is called a statement. ఒకవేళ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చినట్లయితే దాన్ని ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్లోకి ఏ విధంగా మార్చాలి? వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ స్టేట్మెంట్? స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇఫ్ a sentence is started with a subject and ending with full stop. సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి? Subject is nothing but whom we are talking about. Whom we are talking about. What we are talking about as well as whom we are talking about is called subject. Usually it is placed at the beginning of a sentence. అలాంటి వాక్యాలను మనం ఏ విధంగా పాసివ్ వాయిస్ లోకి మార్చాలి? 5 steps అండి. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the statement I have given? I can learn English. I can learn English. After seeing the sentence, you have to identify. You have to identify what are the words indicate. What are the words that indicate? Here I indicates a subject. Can indicates helping verb. Learn indicates verb. And also English indicates object. Usually object is placed next to the main verb. All this we have already learned it. And you have understood also, of course. And you can easily change this one. English can be learnt by me. How I have changed? First step, object is used as subject. Step 2, helping verb should be used accordingly. Can ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి can be. May ఇస్తే be. Will ఇస్తే will be. Next one ఏంటండి? learn. Verb అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా V3 form లో ఉండాలి. learned. You can use learned also. Learned. Learned also you can use it. Learned also you can use it. And the preposition by should be added. And last one, subject will be used as object. ఐ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి మీ ఉపయోగించాం, షీ ఇస్తే హెర్ ఉపయోగిస్తాం, అదేవిధంగా హీ ఇస్తే హిమ్ అనేది ఉపయోగిస్తాం. ఇక్కడ లర్న్స్ ఉపయోగించాలా, లర్న్ అని ఉపయోగించాలా, రెండు కూడా ఉపయోగించవచ్చు. అమెరికన్స్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో లర్న్ అని రాస్తాం, బ్రిటిష్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో లర్న్స్ అని రాస్తాం. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్ టు యూ. English can be learnt by me. If any statement is given, we have to change in the sentence in this format. Is it clear? For example, I will learn English. Then what is the answer? English will be learnt by me.
Never stop
Same.
learning. Never
And
stop
coming to model 2.
growing.
If active voice is in a question, యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ అనేది క్వశ్చన్లో ఉందనుకోండి, దాన్ని ఏ విధంగా మార్చాలి? కెన్ యూ లెర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్, కెన్ యూ లెర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఎప్పుడైనా క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు, ఎస్ఆర్నో క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం ముందుగా స్టేట్మెంట్ కింద మార్చుకోవాలి. స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏ విధంగా మనకు తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ. వి నో దట్ హౌ స్టేట్మెంట్ విల్ బి. హౌ స్టేట్మెంట్ విల్ బి సబ్జెక్ట్ and ending with the full stop. Then you have to replace these first two words in yes or no question, then it will become as a statement. Once it is a statement, you can easily change into passive voice. English can be learnt by you. But is it the right answer? No. What is the right answer? You have to make it as a question. క్వశ్చన్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలండి? హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ అనేది ముందుగా ఉపయోగించాలి. అప్పుడు అది ఏంటవుతుందండి? క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది. వెరీ సింపుల్ మెథడ్. మోడల్ 2 ఈజ్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఎప్పుడైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చేటట్టు ఉంటే ఎస్ ఆర్ నో క్వశ్చన్స్, ఓన్లీ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో క్వశ్చన్స్, దాన్ని స్టేట్మెంట్గా ముందుగా మార్చుకోవాలి. స్టేట్మెంట్గా మార్చుకున్న తర్వాత యూ నో హౌ టు చేంజ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇంటూ ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్. దట్ యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ చేంజ్ ఇట్. ఆఫ్టర్ చేంజింగ్ you have to replace helping verb before the subject. Then you can easily understand and you can easily change active voice into passive voice as a question. Then what is the answer here? Can English be learnt by you? Question mark. Can English be learnt by you? Question. Is it clear? But these two we have to do rough work. No need to write in the examination whenever you are attempting competitive exams as well as whenever you are writing 10th standard English grammar. You don't need to go for these two. It is only for doing rough work. Here is the exact answer. Can English be learnt by you? Question mark. I hope it is clear to you. అదే విధంగా will ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, ఏం చేస్తాం? Will you learn English? You will learn English. Statement గా మారుస్తాం. Later English will be learnt by you. Later will English be learnt by you? Will English be learnt by you? Only helping verb అనేది ముందు తీసుకొస్తే అది క్వశ్చన్ గా
Never stop learning. Never stop growing.
These are the two models that we learned in this video. One is statement, another one is questions. If statement is given in active voice, how to change into passive voice? If question is given in active voice, how to change into passive voice? I hope it is clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt, please leave a comment. Definitely I'll clarify your doubt. But practice makes a man perfect. మనం ఎంత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే అంత బాగా నేర్చుకోవచ్చండి. So try to practice more and be perfect in this topic. I hope it is clear to you. Still if you get any doubt while practicing, immediately leave a comment. Definitely I'll give a reply. And definitely I'll clarify your doubt by giving my best to you. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Never stop learning. Never stop growing.